Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of handmade beautiful wooden objects design ideas as craft projects. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating handmade beautiful wooden objects as craft projects offers a unique blend of artistic expression, personal fulfillment, and potential profitability that captivates artisans and consumers alike. The tactile nature of wood, with its varied grains, textures, and colors, provides an ideal canvas for creativity, allowing makers to transform raw materials into stunning pieces that reflect their individual styles and craftsmanship. The process of working with wood is inherently pleasing. It engages multiple senses, from the satisfying sound of tools interacting with the material to the delightful aroma of freshly cut timber. As artisans carve, shape, and finish each piece, they become immersed in a meditative flow, a practice that fosters mindfulness and enhances overall well-being. This connection to the material not only nurtures a sense of accomplishment, but also allows artisans to infuse their work with personal meaning and intention, transforming simple objects into cherished items that resonate with emotion and artistry. The appeal of handmade wooden objects extends beyond their aesthetic beauty. Each creation tells a story, often reflecting the artisan's journey, inspiration, and the material's history. Whether crafting a rustic coffee table from reclaimed barn wood or delicately shaping a set of elegant serving utensils, artisans have the opportunity to showcase their skills and unique perspectives. This storytelling aspect adds depth to the objects, inviting buyers to appreciate not only the craftsmanship, but also the narrative that accompanies each piece. Consumers today are increasingly drawn to handmade items because they seek authenticity and individuality in a market saturated with mass-produced goods. They value the time, effort, and creativity that artisans invest in their work, making handmade wooden objects more than just functional items. They become symbols of artistry and personal connection. Moreover, creating handmade wooden objects provides artisans with a versatile outlet for their creativity. The possibilities are virtually limitless, ranging from furniture and home decor to kitchenware and decorative art pieces. Artisans can explore various styles, from rustic and traditional to modern and minimalist, allowing them to cater to diverse tastes and preferences. This versatility not only enhances the appeal of handmade wooden objects, but also enables artisans to experiment with different techniques and designs, continually pushing the boundaries of their craft. By incorporating mixed materials, such as metal, glass, or textiles, artisans can create unique hybrids that appeal to contemporary sensibilities while maintaining the warmth and charm of wood. This exploration fosters a sense of innovation and growth, inspiring artisans to develop their skills and expand their creative horizons. In terms of income generation, the market for handmade wooden objects is thriving, driven by a growing consumer interest in sustainable and ethically produced goods. As awareness about environmental issues rises, consumers are increasingly seeking out products that reflect their values, and handmade wooden items often align with this desire. Artisans who prioritize sustainability by sourcing materials responsibly or using reclaimed wood can further enhance the appeal of their creations. By sharing their commitment to eco-friendly practices, artisans can attract a dedicated customer base willing to invest in high-quality, unique pieces that contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. The storytelling aspect of handmade wooden objects plays a crucial role in marketing these products. Artisans can effectively convey the journey of their materials and the inspiration behind each design, creating a compelling narrative that resonates with potential buyers. This emotional connection can significantly influence purchasing decisions, as consumers are more likely to choose items that embody authenticity and craftsmanship over mass-produced alternatives. Additionally, the process of creating handmade wooden objects can lead to a sense of community and connection among artisans and their customers. By participating in local craft fairs, markets, or workshops, artisans can engage with like-minded individuals who share their passion for woodworking and craftsmanship. These interactions foster a collaborative spirit, encouraging artisans to share techniques, ideas, and experiences while building supportive networks that enhance their creative journeys. This sense of community not only enriches the crafting experience, but also promotes the value of handmade goods, as artisans encourage one another and inspire others to appreciate the beauty of craftsmanship. Moreover, artisans can leverage social media and online platforms to showcase their work, connect with a broader audience, and share their stories. By building a strong online presence, artisans can engage with customers on a personal level, cultivating relationships that extend beyond transactions. This direct interaction allows artisans to receive feedback, understand consumer preferences, and adapt their offerings accordingly, ultimately leading to growth and success in their craft. Furthermore, creating handmade wooden objects allows artisans to explore the emotional and psychological benefits of crafting. The act of working with one's hands can be incredibly therapeutic, providing a welcome escape from the stresses of daily life. As artisans immerse themselves in the creative process, they often experience a sense of flow, where time seems to fade away, and they are fully present in the moment. This mindfulness can lead to improved mental health and well-being, as the act of creating becomes a form of self-expression and emotional release. The satisfaction derived from completing a project, witnessing the transformation of raw materials into beautiful objects, further contributes to the positive psychological impact of woodworking. This fulfillment can motivate artisans to continue honing their skills, exploring new techniques, and pushing the boundaries of their creativity. In the significance of creating handmade, beautiful wooden objects as craft projects lies in their ability to blend artistry, personal fulfillment, and income potential. From the tactile pleasure of working with wood to the emotional connections forged through storytelling and craftsmanship, handmade wooden items resonate deeply with both artisans and consumers. As the market for unique, sustainable products grows, artisans have the opportunity to capitalize on this trend by offering high-quality creations that reflect their individuality and commitment to craftsmanship. The journey of creating handmade wooden objects is not just about producing functional items. It is about enriching lives, fostering community, and celebrating the beauty of creativity. Ultimately, these objects serve as lasting reminders of the artistry and dedication that went into their creation, enriching the lives of those who own them while providing artisans with a fulfilling and potentially profitable pursuit. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, handmade, beautiful wooden objects as craft projects. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.